Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload a video. Before we get into the video though, I do want to say please guys, please watch my ads because it will help your girl out. Your girl is monetized, so please watch the ads, and I thank you guys so much. But anyways, that's not what you guys came here for, but watch my ads, okay? Anyway, so as promised, I said that I was going to do an eyebrow tutorial. So as y'all can see from the title, today is what that video is basically about. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Sometimes I do them thicker, sometimes I do them small, more natural. As you guys can see, I don't really have much eyebrows. I don't wax them, arch them, nothing. This is just my eyebrows. This is just how it is. So sometimes I try to make them a little thicker, and sometimes I just do it, you know, natural looking. So anyways, we are going to get into the video. Enough of me rambling. Let's go. Mine like this, I don't know, I guess it helps to brush it better, and then I kind of just brush it up. Since I don't have much, it's not really much I have to do. Okay, so y'all know I am not a makeup artist. I'm still learning to do my brows, but anyways, I went in with my brown eyebrow pencil after I spooted my hair up. I went in with my eyebrow pencil, and then after that, instead of using concealer, I went in with some eyeshadow base to clean my brows up. If your brows tend to get oily or sweaty, you can apply some powder to your brows before going in with your eyebrow pencil or your pomade. So since I don't have much eyebrows, I always draw it on, and sometimes I draw it on too big, but whatever, I'm still learning. My eyebrows never come out the same. Sometimes they look perfect, and then sometimes they just don't. They don't look that good. But I notice when I don't record doing my eyebrows come out perfect, so don't judge me. The thing is, you want to go along with your eyebrows naturally, and I felt like I didn't do that well. Yeah, so after I go in with my concealer, I bring it down into my eye, because then when I apply my eyeshadow, it will stick better. My eyeshadow will stick better because I use the eyeshadow base. And then I kind of just went in with what I used to do that. I used a flat brush, and then at the top of my brows, I went in with some concealer that kind of matched my skin tone. And then I use my brush to just buff everything out so it doesn't have any sharp lines. And in the front of my brows, I basically did like hair-like strokes to kind of make it look more natural. And I used the spoolie to just blend the products into my brows. comment down below and let me know what you guys really think about this these eyebrows. Be honest, but you know your girl is gonna get better. So yeah, keep watching these eyebrow videos. I'm gonna keep posting, I'm gonna keep practicing, because practice make perfect. Today's video is a video about Dossier Perfume. They sent me over 2 perfumes here that I'm going to show you guys and go over with you guys, and stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm going to also tell you guys about the Black Friday sale that they are having. So let's get into this Dossier box. So this is the first one that I received. This one is the Fruity Magnolia, and it has the notes here. It's inspired by the Versace Bright Crystal. As you guys can see here. And this is what it looks like. Fruity Magnolia. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You guys, this smells amazing. Smells so good. It really does smell fruity. So that is the first box, and then we also have another one here, and this one is Gourmand White Flowers, and it's inspired by the Victor and Ralph Flower Bomb. So these is all the notes and everything like that. And this is what this is looking like. Okay, so that's that. And both of them smells really good. So you guys can head on over to Dossier to get your perfumes at a affordable price. Instead of you breaking the bank, you can get your perfume at an affordable price. Also, before I close out this video, as far as their Black Friday sale, they are having a Black Friday sale the second week and third week of November. So that would be from November 7th to the November 13th, which has already passed. I'm sorry guys. So I'm not even going to tell you guys about that. So week 3 is November 15th to November 22nd. You can get 3 perfumes for 20% off and free shipping, or you can get 4 perfumes for 25% off, 5 perfumes for 30% off, 6, 7, 8 perfumes for 35% off. So that is the Black Friday sale that they have going on right now. So make sure you guys head on over to Dossier to get your affordable, smelling good perfume, because who doesn't want to smell good? Okay, so I'm gonna catch you. Okay y'all, so this is what it's looking like. I always like one better than the other. This one looks a little too big, but my brows never come out, like, it's rare they come out the exact same. Like, it's rare. Your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so sometimes they're gonna be a little off. I could see that this one looks a little bigger though, and whatever, but y'all get the idea. That was how you do it. Like, that was the basic. Yeah, so this is it. This is the right side, the left side, and yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all. I hope y'all learned something today. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.